Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have an update for you in the high-profile case styled as State of Idaho versus Stacey James Wondra. This case deals with the tragic disappearance and presumed unaliving of Michael Vaughn in Fruitland. That case went cold for a number of years until the summer of 2025 when Mr. Wondra was arrested. Yesterday, there was a status conference in Judge Brian D. Lee's courtroom, 3rd Judicial District in Payette County. The minutes were published late in the afternoon. They indicate that the judge was present, that the parties, Mr. Wondra and his counsel, that the state of Idaho and the state's counsel were present as well. This was a brief hearing. It only lasted approximately 4 minutes. And according to the court minutes, it began at 11:01 a.m. The journal entries are as follows. 1. The court ascertained that this matter is set for a status conference ahead of a preliminary hearing that is scheduled to begin on March 3rd, 2026 and continue through March 6th, 2026. Number 2, court reminds everyone present about the order governing proceedings and asks everyone that is going to attend these proceedings to be sure they are familiar with the order. Number 3, Mr. Geddes will be the lead counsel on the defense side. Mr. Geddes is Anthony Geddes. He was appointed as one of the public defenders for Mr. Wondra last year. 4, Mr. Duke wants to let the court know that because there is so much discovery in this case, it is still ongoing, and defense counsel has not received everything yet. 5, both parties are prepared to start on Tuesday at 9 a.m. And then according to the minutes, the hearing ended at 11:05 a.m. Ladies and gentlemen, if I could interject a comment, preliminary hearing is the opportunity for the state of Idaho to come in before the court and to put on evidence. It could be witnesses, it could be testimony, it could be documents, it could be photographs, it could be video, it could be things. The ultimate objective is for the state to convince the court to bind Mr. Wondra over for trial. He has been, since last year, in the Payette County Jail, no bond, on the strength of the warrant affidavit, which is the affidavit of probable cause. And it is anticipated that the defense may cross-examine witnesses, may possibly even put on their own case. At this time, preliminary hearing is scheduled to go 4 days. If necessary, more time could be allocated, as sometimes happens. But ultimately, it will be Judge Lee's determination whether the state has met its burden of showing that there is sufficient evidence that Mr. Wondra is the proper defendant in this case, who should be bound over for trial regarding the tragic disappearance and unaliving of Michael Vaughn. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.